Have you ever pondered the possibility of full-body transplants? It's a question that might tickle your imagination, one that bridges the gap between reality and the realm of science fiction. Picture this, your entire body replaced, every bone, every muscle, every organ. It's a concept that's as fascinating as it is complex, an idea that's enough to make anyone's mind whirl with questions. Imagine having the capacity to replace your entire body. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? So, what exactly is a full-body transplant, you might ask? Well, let's delve into this intricate concept and try to make it as comprehensible as possible. Imagine a scenario where your body is failing due to age, disease, or injury. Now picture a solution where you could simply replace your entire body, just like changing a worn-out vehicle for a brand new model. That in essence is what a full-body transplant aims to achieve. The concept of a full-body transplant is not a new one. In fact, it's been a subject of speculation and debate among scientists and ethicists for decades. At its core, the idea revolves around transplanting a human head onto a donor body. Yes, it does sound like something straight out of a science fiction novel, but with the rapid advancements in medical science, it's not as far-fetched as it might sound. The procedure would involve severing the heads of both the recipient and the donor at the exact same point. Then, the recipient's head would be carefully attached to the donor's body using a highly specialized surgical technique. This would be followed by a painstaking process of connecting nerves, blood vessels, and muscles, and would require an armada of experts in various medical fields. But it's not just about the physical connections. The recipient's brain would have to start controlling its new body, learning to move limbs, feel sensations, and even adjust to a new internal clock. It's a complex process that goes beyond the mere surgical procedure. And what about the ethical implications? Where do we draw the line between saving a life and playing God? These are the questions that make the concept of full-body transplants a hot topic of discussion. However, despite all the challenges and controversies, the potential benefits of a full-body transplant are undeniable. It could give a second chance to those suffering from terminal illnesses or severe physical disabilities. Essentially, a full-body transplant presents a radical solution to the problem of aging and disease, replacing the entire body. The prospect of a full-body transplant raises many questions. What are the potential benefits and drawbacks? Let's begin with the benefits. The most obvious one is the possibility of longevity. Imagine a scenario where your body is failing due to age or disease, but your mind is still sharp. A full-body transplant could potentially give you a new lease on life, allowing you to continue living and experiencing the world. Another potential benefit is the improvement in quality of life. For individuals suffering from debilitating diseases that affect the entire body, a full-body transplant could offer a chance at a life free from constant pain and struggle. However, just like two sides of a coin, this revolutionary concept also comes with its own set of drawbacks. One of the most pressing concerns is the ethical implications. The notion of transferring one's consciousness into another body raises serious questions about identity and the sanctity of life. Who gets to decide who deserves a new body? And what happens to the donor? These are questions we must grapple with as we venture into this unexplored territory. In addition to ethical concerns, there are also significant scientific challenges to overcome. The human body is an incredibly complex system, and the idea of transplanting an entire body is currently beyond our medical capabilities. Even if we could manage the physical aspects of such a procedure, the psychological impact on the patient is unknown. Would they still feel like themselves in a new body? Lastly, there's the issue of cost. This procedure, if it ever becomes a reality, would undoubtedly be expensive, potentially making it inaccessible to many who might benefit from it. As with any groundbreaking medical procedure, full-body transplants present both exciting possibilities and serious challenges. This is a journey into the unknown, a step towards a future where the impossible might just become possible. But with great power comes great responsibility, and it's up to us to navigate these uncharted waters with care and consideration. Where is the future heading with regards to full-body transplants? It's a question that's both exciting and, to some, a little unnerving. But let's dive headfirst into this futuristic world. The future of full-body transplants is on the horizon, with ongoing research paving the way. Scientists are tirelessly exploring this field, with advancements in genomics, stem cell research, and bioengineering leading the charge. The exploration of these areas is crucial, as they hold the key to overcoming the challenges we currently face. Imagine a world where a catastrophic injury or a degenerative disease could be overcome by a full-body transplant. A world where the ravages of age could be sidestepped, replaced by a younger, healthier body. It's a future that's both tantalizing and full of ethical considerations. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. The potential advancements in this field could also revolutionize the way we approach organ transplants. Instead of waiting for a matching donor, patients could potentially have a new organ or even a new body, bioengineered specifically for them. Yet with all these potential advances, we must also consider the societal implications. Questions about identity, morality, and the very definition of what it means to be human will undoubtedly be raised. The future of full-body transplants remains uncertain, but the possibilities are truly mind-boggling. Today we've covered a lot of ground on the topic of full-body transplants. We've delved into the intriguing concept, a massive medical breakthrough that might alter the course of humanity. We've explored the potential benefits, like the possibility of granting a new lease of life to those afflicted with terminal illnesses. Of course, we also touched upon the considerable challenges, such as ethical dilemmas, technical difficulties, and the sheer complexity of the human body. We took a glimpse into the future where full-body transplants could become a reality. From revolutionary surgical techniques to the potential of bioengineering, the future holds a myriad of exciting possibilities. Still, there are countless hurdles to overcome before we reach that point. In the end, whether full-body transplants become a reality or remain in the realm of science fiction, they certainly give us plenty to think about.